The barriers hide beneath the mind in patterns learned long ago, not loud or strong but quietly directing how we go. They move through habit, thought, and will, through feeling, choice, and sight, until awareness meets their root and turns them toward the light. Each hindrance fades when met with truth, its opposite made clear. Where wisdom grows, confusion ends, where love replaces fear. What once constrained begins to lift as inner balance forms. The path grows open, steady, wide beyond old mental norms. Where blindness lived, a search for truth begins to shape the mind. Where craving pulled for passing joy, a deeper aim is found. Where conflict closed the heart in pain, love opens every door. Where holding bound the soul to form, release reveals much more. Each hindrance fades when met with truth, its opposite made clear. Where wisdom grows, confusion ends, where love replaces fear. What once constrained begins to lift as inner balance forms. The path grows open, steady, wide beyond old mental norms. No force applied, no battle fought at surface or display. The roots dissolve when thought aligns with what is real and stays. The mind remembers how to choose what frees instead of binds, and quiet clarity returns through steady inner time. As false directions lose their hold, the soul moves unconfined. No pull of want, no push away, no self left to defend. Opposing qualities take root and reshape how we see, until the path itself becomes a stage.